everybody, Whitney Magnuson here with a super fun video featuring our new background builder stamps. So they come to you in a variety of different strips here and different designs, and what's cool about these stamps is that they do not have an edge, and so you can kind of line them up right next to each other and create flawless backgrounds. So I'm just going to start by placing this little sheet of cardstock inside of my mini Misty, and I'm using the 1-inch purple tape to kind of mask off a quarter of my card here, and I'm just going to ink blend with Gina K Designs Sea Glass, and I'm just going to build up that color on that portion of my cardstock. So now I'm starting with stamping the strips. So I'm going to be alternating between Tranquil Teal and Sea Glass, and a cool way to line these up, like I was saying before, they don't have an edge, and so you can just kind of place it right next to each other in your Misty like so, and they line up perfectly to create a fun background here. So we're just kind of going to do a portion of our card, a background of these strips. I'm doing the stripes, polka dots, and a fun plaid. Just alternating Sea Glass and Tranquil Teal. So now that we have those stamped, I'm going to go ahead and remove that purple tape mask. And there we go, we have a nice edge there. And just to kind of show off this edge a little bit, I'm adding some tape and some white organza ribbon to kind of break that up a little bit. I'm going to stamp a sentiment here from She Mermaid. It's a really fun, encouraging sentiment, and I'm just using VersaFine Clair Nocturne for that. And then just to add a little bit more to our card, I love this like element of sea stuff from She Mermaid, and I'm just using the cut file and stamping the image right on that cut file. I love adding sparkle to every card, and so I'm using my Quickie glue pen and just kind of adding some glue to different elements of that sea stuff. So not everything's glittery, just a few things are like spotlight glittery. And I'm just going to go ahead and adhere that right on the front of my card and cut off the edges. So this is the finished product. I'm so excited to hear what you guys think about these new background builder stamps, and hoping to see your cool ideas too in the Unity Show and Tell soon. Bye everybody, thanks for watching.